In a world of flawless selfies and magazine covers, the pressure to have perfect skin is real, especially for young girls. Acne, a common skin condition, can be a challenging roadblock to self-confidence and self-esteem. In this article, we will explore some trendy tips and strategies for girls to combat acne and feel great about their skin. The Acne Essentials. Know your skin. Before diving into the world of Acne Solutions, it's vital to understand your skin type and the types of acne you're dealing with. Different acne types require different treatments. Consult a dermatologist or skincare professional if you're unsure. Skincare routine hacks. A consistent skincare routine can make a world of difference in the fight against acne. Consider trying these popular skincare trends. Double cleansing. Start with an oil-based cleanser, followed by a water-based one. Serums and actives. Incorporate products with ingredients like salicylic acid, benzoyl peroxide, or hyaluronic acid. Facial rollers. These trendy tools can help reduce inflammation and improve product absorption. Sheet masks. Relax and pamper your skin with acne-fighting sheet masks. Clean beauty and natural remedies. The clean beauty movement is gaining traction. Many girls are switching to natural remedies and products free from harsh chemicals. Some natural remedies that have gone viral include tea tree oil, known for its antibacterial properties. Turmeric masks, a powerful anti-inflammatory agent. Honey and aloe vera, natural soothers for irritated skin. The power of diet and lifestyle. Your diet and lifestyle can significantly impact your skin's health. Here are some trending tips. Hydration. Sip on trendy infused water or herbal teas to stay hydrated. Gut health. Probiotics and prebiotics can help balance your gut microbiome, which reflects on your skin. Stress management. Yoga, meditation, and mindfulness can help reduce stress-induced breakouts. Trendy makeup solutions. Makeup can be a girl's best friend when dealing with acne. Some popular trends include light, skin-enhancing makeup. The no makeup look is in. Color-correcting concealers. Target redness and dark spots effectively. Airbrush techniques. Flawless application with minimal product. Embrace your skin. Ultimately, self-confidence is the best accessory. Remember, acne is a common issue, and it doesn't define your worth. Celebrities and influencers like Lily Reinhart and Kendall Jenner have openly shared their acne journeys, breaking the stigma. In a world where individuality is celebrated, embracing your unique beauty is the most fashionable trend of all.